Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create an Amapiano song on Suno.com. So all you have to do is to go to Suno.com and click on the create section. It should bring you to a web page like this. You can choose either the simple for some. The simple is for cases where you do not have a direct idea, but if you have an idea that you would love to for it to be conveyed in the song, you can click on the custom. Since I have no idea, I will just click here and on the simple and write create an piano song, piano song. I don't need to add all of this, but if you have more things to talk about, you can include them here and then click on create. So that is, and once you are done with that, it will generate an piano song for you. You can also choose here on the style below. You can choose other styles that would add to what you want to achieve. Okay, this is showing me styles on praises because my last input was gospel. So you can just click on the regenerate option here and it should give you new styles. So we can proceed to click on the create section and we would have created our piano song just like that. So thank you and do have a great day.